Baby girl, you've been asking yourself what happened to this man that you loved so much. And maybe you just took him for granted. He showed up and he still called, he still texted, he still stayed, and he made it clear to you that he's here to stay. And you are all that you wanted. But you got too comfortable. He started pulling away, and just as you can see, he stopped doing the chase because you gave him a million reasons of giving up. Then he's gone one day. You can't trace him. No texting. He has no warning, no goodbye. He's just silent. The man who used to push mountains for you, then this one day, he doesn't even care anymore. It's about you. Change yourself. Love that man who comes your way. Give him everything.